You found one all by yourself. Hold on, I can't just plow through the woods and not look. Ah, I found one.
I see it.
This is a big one.
In front of you?
Yeah. I see. I can't even look at it because I'm like there's got to be more.
Okay, so should I pick this one?
Yep. Just check the inside of it. Make sure it's empty. There's no like white stuff on the inside.
Yeah, empty.
Yeah, if it was a bad one, it'd be completely full of white stuff. You'd know.
Oh, I'm happy now.
I'm so happy, Jensen. This is so cool.
We did it.
We did it. I'm proud of you.
Nice eye, babe.
Look at those mushrooms! Holy shit!
I see them.
Oh my god. Recording. Good job, Adam. Not even recording. Look at that guy. Look at that iPhone quality. Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow. Wow. Yeah.
Oh, I found one. I found two. Some of the odd ones, but... You got big white ones? You got the odd ones?
Are they odd?
With the long stems and the short tops?
Yeah. There was another one. Where'd it go?
Oh,
There was another one here. I just missed it.
is it this guy?
Let's see.
This one, oh, these ones are funky ones, but not bad. Here's another one.
It's like a mini honey lake.
Here, hold that.
Okay.
It is currently recording.
Hi, handsome.
Hello. Not bad.
Yay.
For two of us, too?
Take it. Take it back. Okay. Wait, 5 years old. Should have seen another one.
Ah! Oh, hello, guy. Oh, hello, guy. Oh, hello, guy. I found 3. They're tiny little guys blended in. There's gotta be more over here.
Right?
Yeah. A nice one. Holy cow. Ah, boat flip. Oh. That's why I wanted to use this lure. Do you want to hold him?
No. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you for the fun times. Beautiful fish.
Good job, babe.
Oh, hello. That was just a big hit. So you can't reach it. Ugh. Got him. Got him. Oh, that was beautiful.
Got it?
Yep. Still got him. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, what a nice boy.
You sure that's not the same one? Oh, go back over. I was gonna get that picture.
Yeah, but I can't. No, this is definitely the bigger one. Holy crap. Oh my God. Was that recording? Yes, it was recording. All right. Wow, I wish I had a scale. Get an idea. Thank you, buddy. Look at that. Look at. Oh.
Good job.
What a beautiful fish. Oh, thank you for the fight, buddy. Oh, okay. See you later. Woohoo! Yeah, get out. Ah. Oh, damn it. Got it.
And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free.
A nice little smallmouth. Whoop. I think it's a smallmouth. No, he's got the red eyes. Maybe it is a rock bass. Oh, frick. Oh, cool. I'm gonna get stabbed about 13 times trying to do this.
Got a picture?
Yeah, if you... Relax. Please don't stab my hand. I'm trying, buddy. All right. Thank you. You had to shake that one off. He got back in the water and went.